Well, welcome back to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques and some antique Colclough, H J Colclough, Longton. Some of his earlier work here dating from period on these china marks between 1913 and 1928. The classic sort of Imari style or inspired style that Colclough became so well known for in this early period, with these rich cobalt blues. This is pattern 3383. Now, there are multiple variations of this. They all look very similar at first sight, but on close inspection they are very, very different. This is a typical colour combination. The palette used in these decorations was basically a burnt umber brownish transfer pattern that was applied, and then the decorators were let loose with these cobalt blues, reds, lime greens, yellows. And the overall effect was very various between different designs in this style. Although they all mix and match extremely well together, the overall effect is stunning. Just look at the colours still on this piece 110 years later. This is the only piece in the set with a decorator's mark giving us that pattern reference. These haven't been catalogued. There's no online reference for these. You are lucky if you find a decorator's 4-digit pattern reference, and this is the only saucer in the whole set that we're listing that we were lucky enough to find that reference and being able to catalogue it correctly. The Royal Vale China HJC Longton, England china mark with the flag's crown and crest, so typical of this lovely early Colclough works. There are glazing inclusions, defects, everything's typically right for the period of production. These weren't high quality, high-end pieces of china. They were made for use around the empire, mass produced by Colclough during this period for the UK domestic and overseas imperial marketplace. High Victoriana was really in vogue in this period, and this is a throwback really to those earlier pieces and styles in the Imari tradition. Lovely bone china. The link below in the description of this video will take you through to the listing. We're listing the set because it's come to us in parts. Some are going as trios, some will be duos, some spare side plates. We've got a milk jug and an extremely rare tall Egyptian or Greek urn style milk jug. Again, high Edwardiana, late Victorian style of that bell bottom milk jug is, I will show you that in a separate video when we list it. There's also a couple of cake plates in this design which are absolutely stunning, so do have a browse through on the Colclough sections in the Vintage and Antiques website where this china is going to be listed for sale in the UK. Thanks for watching.